Okay, hoe je het?
Look.
Okay, bro, I see you dropping. You looking calm, bro. So before we get to your drop, now, how's the empty night so far?
Nah, it's going good, man. I can't complain, man. It's going lekker, man. But we don't worry about that. We worry about afterwards, man.
Oh. Alright, bro. So talk me to your foot, bro. Talk me to your foot, bro.
Okay, so on the field we got the Jonathan D. We got black and white. Come in. Come in, bro. On the foot we got the Jonathan D. As you can see there at the side, it's like a slight one day around.
Okay.
The suit all together was around about like 4 or 5K.
Okay.
The watch, 1,000 million.
Yes.
The
Okay.
bracelet, trillion, billion. The earrings was a gift, man, from my girlfriend.
The fight.
The fight is the most important one.
Fight.
This is all included. Go to Josie. Iedereen te wacht. Fight 100. That's your eyebrows, trim everything. Mr. Deep Cut, shout out. Yeah, but yeah.
Shot.
Now we have to drop chocolate dubs now, man. Okay, so we're gonna start from the feet of dubs. How are we looking?
The shoes, that's a polo. It was 3.7K. And the suit, it was made actually, custom made.
Custom-made, oh
wait,
shit.
it was 8K. Brother,
I'm
we're
proud of
gonna
this
get
one
there.
now.
We're gonna get them in. The suit was 8K, and the tie was about 250, 300 rand.
Oh shit.
There's a little pannier was about I think 100 rand. I'm not so sure.
Oh shit.
Wait, the fade, man. The
fade.
calm 50 rand. I won't lie.
Calm, soft.
The watch, 500. I won't lie, 500.
You won't lie.
Yeah, man. That's about.
That's about it.
That's
about it.
Come in,
But now we got to
come in,
pass the fab. Can we start from head to toe or should we start from the toes? Let's go head to toe. Okay, let's start him off, man. Let's start him off lightly.
Fader, softly fader.
Softly.
50 rand.
Okay,
Okay, come.
Earring, softly American Swiss, 300 rand. Soft, very soft.
Soft one, no?
Tie, softly. Bogota tie, 500 rand. Soft. How we getting a pieces? How we getting a pieces? Top. Fabiani, 1,800 rand. Are you getting this? Benz. Oh shit. Fabiani, 4,000 rand.
Okay.
The blazer that go with the stop. Fabiani, open him up, 6,000 rand. If I had him on me, I would show you. 6,000 rand. Okay, let's take him down to and last but not least, come get in, bro. Get in, bro. Get in, my bro. Get in. Bring it up. Good boy. Fabiani, 3,000 rand. Oh, don't play.
And your eyes, you